Listen, I've been talking about this for probably 6 months straight now. I keep hearing, Cam, what's happening with the real estate market? What's going on with interest rates? Is there a recession coming? You know, should I buy now or should I wait? You know, tell me what's going on. And in reality, you have to do what's best for your family. You know, are you an investor? Well, then yeah, you should be buying. There's smoking deals out there. Yeah, but Cam, it's so expensive. Then you figure out another way and you just figure it out and do it. But, you know, I've got buyers that have been on the sidelines for 3 or 4 years now, and they could have bought a home for 40% less 4 years ago. So if you want to wait on the sidelines, I get it. Everyone's in a different position, in a different place in life, but renting is super expensive, and it's only going to continue going up. Rents have never gone down in 60 years, ever. The real estate market, it fluctuates, it goes up and down, but rent, it only goes one way, it only goes up. So don't worry about the recession or rates or the doom and gloom in the media. Do what's best for you and your family. You know, maybe you're qualified up to $1 million home. Well, maybe you should only buy a $750,000 house. Get your family in a good financial position. Buy a hard asset that protects you against inflation. It's one of the only places to put your money to protect yourself. You know, give me a call. I'd love to walk you through some of these scenarios, help you out, but please don't get stuck in the negative headlines and the doom and gloom of the media.